by making more money, and this whole thought that I know a lot of people who read the Bible are concerned because they think that there's a part in there that says money is the root of all evil. I don't believe in that. I don't think it's true. I don't think you should believe that that's true. Money doesn't create evil. Greed is greed. And you can be a greedy effing asshole with money or without money. If you are a generous, good person, which I know you are, I'm 100% positive. I know you are a solid human being with a good heart who wants to help other people. You wouldn't be listening to this podcast if you weren't. So since you are that person, I know that if you had $1 billion in the bank, sure, maybe you would have a fancy car, a better watch, a nicer house than you do today. But there's a lot of that money that you don't need. Even your kids don't really need it. You can create a bunch of jobs. You can create you can build houses for a person in need. You can donate to a cause for cancer, for MS, for CF, whatever. You would be able to donate that money. You would be able to lend money to people or gift money to people. You would be able to create scholarships for people. So the point being, the more money you make, it is not a bad thing. I will end with these couple thoughts. People say that they're afraid to lose money. That's true. Many people are afraid of failure.